In Unit 3, Section 2, we're going to look at polynomials and all the different operations with polynomials. In 2a, we're going to look at adding and subtracting polynomials. First one we're going to look at is number 1 right here. Okay, and remember, polynomials can have, obviously if they're one term it's a monomial, and Section 1 was about monomials. 2 terms is a binomial, 3 terms trinomial, but you can have polynomials with more than 3 terms as well. So if you look at number 1, this first example that we're going to do here, and you have to pay attention, is it add or subtract? And notice we have subtract right here. So that's almost like a -1 out in front that we have to distribute to our binomial in that case. So I really have 7 minus 4v squared, and then -1 distributed to 2 would be -2, and then -1 distributed to the minus 5v squared would be plus 5v squared. And then it boils down to, you got rid of parentheses, and I just dropped them off on the 7 minus 4v squared, combine like terms algebraically. Typically we write things in descending order of exponents, biggest exponent on down to the number term. So if I combine my v squareds, -4v squared plus 5v squared, that's 1v squared. And so I take care of those, and then I combine my constants or my numbers. 7 minus 2, or positive 7, -2 is positive 5. Again, you don't have to write the 1 out in front. We could just write this as v squared plus 5. Okay, let's go over to number 6. Number 6 is an addition, and with addition, okay, we have a binomial plus a trinomial. With addition, you can really just drop off parentheses. We're not multiplying here, so we just want to drop off parentheses. So I'm just going to take that first binomial and write 8n cubed plus 7n. And if it's addition, all the signs stay the same in that trinomial that follows the addition sign. So it's plus 2n cubed plus 2n squared and minus 6n. So now I look at all these terms, and I want to combine my like terms. Starting with end of the third is our highest power term. So we're going to combine these two first. They're both positive, so it's 10n cubed. And then I only have one n squared term, so I can't combine it with anything. I just keep the sign in front of it, so it's plus 2n squared. Took care of that. And as I have a lot of terms in my list, I like to cross them off as I take care of them. And then we have our 7n and our -6n, which will combine to 1n or just n. And that is what we get when we add those two polynomials.